Hi again, it's me Esther. I'm the OT at Neuropedia and I'm here today to show you another DIY toy that you can make right at home with simple things that you might have. So this is a Pepsi cup that you would get at any fast food joint, and obviously the most important thing is the lid. So the lid usually has like a place for the straw, and that is what I use for this toy. So we put it together, and then you could have kids hold either cotton balls or other pulses that you would get at any supermarket, and you could have them put it inside. It kind of helps kids to isolate their finger movements, work on coordination, improve their fine motor skills. You could even grade this up to have, different colors of pulses or puff balls that you might have, and then have them, okay, it's time for the red puff ball, or it's time for the green puff ball, and so on. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.